Good morning, everyone. I'm fine, Riddhi. Today I'm fine. How are you, everyone? This is for everyone. How are you? Yes, good morning. I am also fine. Okay, very good. So, welcome to your class 2 science class. And we completed the whole syllabus of term 2. So, today we have to revise those all parts of term 2. You almost already know that from 8th chapter to 15th chapter will be held in your exam, and 11th and 16th will not be held. Okay, you know this. I'm fine, Kritika. Hope you all are fine. So, as we you can charge your phone and do the class by charging the phone also. Otherwise, you have to see the video when I will post in YouTube. After some days, Riddhi, after some days, you will get the routine at the school website. That's why you have to prepare yourself from now. Okay. So, from the last chapter of your syllabus, we will discuss today. Okay, and that's our oral questions. I will ask some questions to you. You have to listen it very carefully, very attentively. Then you have to answer me. So, first of all, let me know, have you any problem or have you any questions from those chapters that you can't understand at your home after reading it? Anything? Okay, and others? Let me know first. Okay, so you haven't any problem. Okay, then I will ask some questions to you today. Okay. Okay, let's start. So, first question is that which things we find in the desert? Which things we find in desert? Very good, Ashmi or Pon. Yes, very good. We find sand in the desert. Very good. We find sand in the desert. Very good, everyone. Now tell me, what is globe? What is globe? What is globe? Very good, Riddhi, Ayush and others. Very good, Kaushik. Yes, so globe is the model of our earth. Yes, very good. Globe is a model of our earth. The model of the earth is called globe. Very good. Okay. Okay, everyone. Very good. Now your next question is that there are two parts of the surface of our earth, right? So tell me the name of two parts which we can see the surface of our earth. There are two parts which we already discussed. One is looking like blue and other is colorful. Yes, land and water. Land and water. There are two parts, land and water, in the surface of our earth. Yes, land and water. And your next question is, which thing covered the upper part of mountain? Which thing covered the upper part of the mountain? Yes. So the upper parts of the mountain is covered by its hill, Lisa. Listen first questions very attentively. No, I am not muted, Debopriya. Yes, the upper part of the mountain are covered with snow. Upper part of the mountain covered with snow. Yes. Now go to your next question, that is land like our playground is called. There is a land like playground. So what is it? What we called it? It's not P-L-A-N-E, Ankita. Check the spelling of plane. P-L-A-I-N. You write here P-L-A-N-E. That's plane is aeroplane. It's not aeroplane. It's only plane. It's a flat land. And many of people live here and grow their crops, grow foods, vegetables on the plains. Yes. Okay, now go to your previous chapter and tell me that when we get hurt, what should we do? What should we do when you get hurt? Tell me first, that's too easy. What should we do when we get hurt? Yes, we must tell an elderly person at once. Elderly person at once. Yes, very good, Ashmi. Very good, Arpon. Very good, Riddhi, Deboshmita. So, we must tell an elderly person at once, or any adult person or parents, teacher who is near to you, you have to tell them. Give me two rules when we are traveling in bus. Tell me two safety rules while traveling in bus. Two safety rules while traveling in bus. Okay, Ushmi. Very good, Debopriya. Lisa. Very good, Lisa. Yes. I am asking about two rules, but here you write only one. What the other? Very good, Ayush. So, yes, there are a lot of rules we learn while traveling in bus. So, we all gave the correct answer that those should not disturb the bus driver, should not stand the footboard, stand in a queue while waiting for the bus, and we must not put our hand out of the window of a moving bus. Very good, Riddhi, and others also very good. Now tell me, what are steel towels? What are steel towels? It's not quality, Kritika, it's quietly. Check the spelling. It's not Qualetly. It's Quietly. Quietly. That means shh. Okay? Sit quietly. What are steel towels? That is your next question. Very good, Ankita. Very good, Kaushik. Others, write the answer fast. Yes. The steel towels are made on wooden post, and that is quite high from the land. That is quite high from the land. What happened, Dibbojyoti? Why you raised your hand? Very good, Ashmi. Ayush, very good. Very good, Lisa. Okay. Now tell me, what is permanent house? Very good, Riddhi. What is permanent house? Not wooden pot, it post. P-O-S-T, post. That means the wooden stamp also, that wooden log, the big size of wooden log. Not pot, Debopriya, it posts. Very good, Lisa. Houses that are fixed at one place and it can't move one area to another area, those are called permanent house. Very good, Aradhya, Hriddhi. Aradhya, now tell me, what is permanent house? Ornament house, that is permanent house. Ashmi, check the spelling. It's permanent house. You write here ornament house. Okay. Some of you give the answer. Where we can see igloo? Where we can see igloo? Very good, Devoshmita. Yes, Rashmi, it's permanent house. Where we can see igloo? Yes, Iceland also, or you can say in polar region also. Not only in cold places, if there are places covered with snow, those area we can see igloo. Hill is also the cold place, right? In summertime we can enjoy their weather. That's also cold place, but there we can't see igloo. We can see igloo in the polar region, or there is too much ice fall or snowfall. It's covered with snow. So those people made igloo to live in. Okay, and this igloo is made by snow also. You know, as there is too much snow, igloo is also made by snow. That's a special house. That's not made by those brick, mud, bamboo, cement. Not all that. It's made by, yes, Antarctica. Very good, Debopriya. That's a good example of the polar region. So South Antarctica, South Polar, North Polar. So those regions we can see igloo. Okay. Okay. Now tell me that when we see rainbow, when we can see rainbow, after rain, in the rainy season. Yes, in the rainy season, after rain, when the sun comes out. Not only after rain, Devoshmita, Kritika, after rain it could be night also. At night we can see the rain is falling. So not for only after rain. After rain, when the sun comes out. When the sun comes out, we can see rainbow in the daytime also, at afternoon, in the morning, in the noon, that time. So at afternoon we can see it's after rain, when sun comes out, we can see rainbow. Okay? Yes. And can you tell me that which season winter is remaining on which months? As we just enjoy the winter season, winter is remaining on which months? Can anyone tell me? June to September, winter. I am talking about winter, Hidi. And you maybe tell about rainbow time, right? June to September, rainbow time. Yes, that's a rainy season, but I am asking about that when we can see, when the winter remains on which months? Winter remains on which months? Yes, that December to February. December to February, winter every year. We have winter from December to February every year. Now it's February, and till now we are wearing sweater. Yes. And you already know about the water and its forms, right? We can discuss it on your next class. So today we just discussed seasons and clothing, different types of house, and safety habits and first aid, and our earth. Okay. We will discuss those other chapters to your next class also. So that's all for today everyone, and you have to read those whole chapters very attentively at your home before your exam. So prepare yourself for exam. Okay everyone, now give your attendance right here. P, I have to take your attendance. That's all for today. Have a nice day.